So a lot of you are facing difficulty in the test case format of CodeChef. Most of the question come in the test case format. So the first line contains an integer t, the total of test case. This is the test case format. So when input is given, first integer t is given, the number of total test cases. When there is 3, there are 3 lines. So then the t line follows each line containing 2 integer a and b. So each test case is containing 2 integer. So when 3 is given, I have to take input 3 times. When 4 is given, I have to take 4 times. When t is given, I have to take input t times. So I have to run a loop t times. So let's code this. C boilerplate. So first I have to take an integer t. Then I have to take input of t modulo d ampersand t. So then I have to run a loop t times. For this I have two choices, for loop and while loop. First I will explain for loop. For int I to t. This loop will run t times, 0, 1, 2 to 2, t minus 1 times, that is t times 0 to t minus 1. Or you have a choice of while. I personally prefer while t minus minus. So when when it is 3, it will be 2, then 1, then 0. When it becomes 0, the loop ends and it will run t times. You can try it, test it. So here you write your single test cases. So in a single test case, you have to take two integer a and b, int a and b. You can write your own variables. There is no restriction to that. I can write here test or here x and y, anything. Then I have to take input of two integer, scanf modulo d, then ampersand a, ampersand b. So for the output, for each test case, find the remainder when a is divided by b and display it in a new line. So I have to print integer where I have to write a modulo b, the remainder when a is divided by b. And there is also one difficulty you face. If I run it, it will print 110 in same line, but it want to receive it in a new line like this. So you also need to print a new line. So print \n a new line. So make sure you put this \n after every print statement, or you can also print in the end of a single test case. So run past, you can copy it here and paste here and submit code. So I suggest you do not write your code here. Here debugging will be slow. You cannot see your errors. Also you cannot use snippet. So I suggest you to every time use your text editor, either it is VS Code, Atom, Vim, any one of that you use. So this is AC, all correct. There may be multiple test cases or anything, but here is how you can write a test case format question in CodeChef. Thank you.